Hi, do you have any siblings?
Hey, yes, I have one sister. How about you?
I'm an only child, but I have a close-knit extended family. Do you and your sister get along well?
We have our moments, but overall, we're pretty close. How about your extended family? Do you see them often?
Yes, I do. We have family gatherings on holidays and special occasions. It's always so much fun. Speaking of which, do you have any family traditions?
Yes, celebrate birthdays with a big family dinner and lots of cake. It's a tradition I look forward to every year. What about you?
That sounds wonderful. In my family, we have a tradition of going camping together every summer. It's a great way to bond.
Camping sounds like a lot of fun. Do you have any memorable camping stories?
Oh, I remember one time when we got caught in a rainstorm. We all ended up huddled in the tent, telling stories and playing games. It turned out to be one of our best camping trips ever.
That sounds like an adventure. I haven't been camping in years. Maybe I should plan a trip with my family soon.
Absolutely. It's a great way to create lasting memories. By the way, do you have any family traditions for the holidays?
We decorate the Christmas tree together and exchange gifts. It's a special time of year. How about you?
We do something similar, and we also have a big Thanksgiving dinner with all the traditional dishes. It's a time for gratitude and togetherness.
Those traditions sound heartwarming. Thanks for sharing.